Smooth and tender beef wontons. Dice and grind the beef. Mix with salt, cooking wine, white pepper powder, soda, and ice water. Grind again. Refrigerate for 30 to 60 minutes. Fill wonton skins with the mixture. Drop the wonton into boiling water. Add green onion, coriander, seaweed, light soy sauce, chicken bouillon powder, and shallot oil. Pour in the soup and add the cooked wontons. Enjoy it!